Sometimes it's easier to use our calculators to get the growth factor for an exponential function. So please pause the video at this time and write the steps that I've written for you. I'm going to show the data from the previous video in that table, and I'm going to enter it into the calculator by first pressing Stat, and then number 1 or Edit, press Enter. It takes me to this table. I will now populate this table with the values. We had the year 1900 as our x value, and then the other x value we had was 1920. Then I move over to my L2 column, which is where the y values will go. The first y value is 1490 and the second is 3554. And that looks like the table that we had before. Now I'm going to continue to follow the steps. You want to go ahead and press that again, and then you're going to use an arrow to press Calc, so that would be the arrow to your right. And you don't see the choice here, but it's choice number 0, so you can just press 0, and then you'll see that it's the exponential regression. You can go to Calculate, press Enter, and it'll give you the A and the B value that you can just simply plug into your formula. So that is a quick and easy way of getting your formula right away.